Assalamualaikum and good evening. So we are from group 4. We will for tonight we will discuss about part C that was it is our last part. Okay, so I will introduce my name first. My name is Nurul Ain binti Hasadian.
My name is Damia binti Anuar.
My name is Murfiqah.
My name is Zakira binti Kamalzul Anuar.
Okay, so let's go jump on to the situation. Okay, so our situation is with the rapid expansion of net enterprise, Natasha Rizal is contemplating the idea of opening more outlets at strategic location in the city. However, opening more branches requires Natasha Rizal to adopt new strategy to support their increased sales or revenue. Credit management and improve account receivable, collection and inventory management. An approach under consideration is to evaluate the credit terms, and the shipping will significantly impact the account receivable, collection and inventory management. Okay. Based on the situation, I guys understand what Natasha Rizal want to do for her business.
Yes, understand.
Yes.
Okay, so since everyone is understand, so we go to the instruction. Okay, number 1, the appropriate terms to improve increase sales or revenue, collection and inventory management. Okay, so I want to more answer it. Thank you.
I think I go first. This question have 4 answer, which is mine is make more sales. So suppliers, which is Natasha Rizal, that offer trade credit will likely see an increase in sales. Why I would say that? Because retailers are always looking to save more cash and by offering credit terms, so that Natasha Rizal can gain upper hand over over other supplier that only sell on cash. So that we know that many of suppliers will sell on cash. So this is an advantage for Natasha Rizal to make credit sales. Next, however, offering trade credit alone is not the only way to increase sales. Supplier, which is Natasha Rizal, can also include additional discounts for bulk purchases to incentivize their customer to buy more. So the more the buyer buy with Natasha Rizal, the cheaper that the purchase will be. Can you guys understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay, for next, win new buyers for credit term. Okay, so offering credit term is an excellent strategy to draw in more customers. This is especially true if Natasha Rizal's competitors are adamant about upfront payment. It means like competitor want to like deposit payment, something like that. And we new buyers, it means we need to attract newcomers to buy our business, to join our business. And another factor that helps supplier gain more customer is word of mouth. So as a business person, we need to like sweet mouth to other buyers, so they will like easily to join us. So we will we will maintain our healthy cash flow, so it's good for our account. Okay, so next,
Okay, next for number 3, the advantage of offering credit term for number 3 is increasing customer loyalty. Okay, this is because Natasha Rizal as a supplier can show that she trusts her customer to be able to pay according to the given time. Means the main is she trusts the her customer lah. Okay. So, when customers feel that they are trusted, they will stay and be loyal. In fact, trade credits not only strengthen relationship with buyers but also prevent them from shopping around for new suppliers other than Natasha Rizal. It is proven that good communication and trust can increase customer loyalty. So overall, Natasha Rizal choosing to use credit term is a good strategy for them to open the more outlet or branch. Okay, so next.
Okay, for the last, the benefit is it can gain a competitive edge. This is because we know in the business there are not so many business which provide credit terms. So if Natasha provide credit terms, she can attract more customers. So, the small business is very careful about its cash flow. So, when we provide credit terms, small business will purchase from Natasha Rizal. This is because they choose us. Lastly, credit terms also shows that we cares about the small business by giving them the solutions which is credit terms. That's all from me.
Okay, so we continue with question number 2.
Let's continue with question 2. So the question says the appropriate shipping term to increase sales revenue, credit management, improve account receivable collection and inventory management. So anyone who want to answer?
So I would like to go first. Based on the question number 2, I would like to advise Natasha Rizal to choose FOB shipping point as her appropriate shipping term because FOB shipping point will help Natasha Rizal in improving and increase their sales and revenues compared to FOB destinations. So FOB shipping points indicates terms used in the shipping of goods and services. It refers to the earliest point at which title and risk of loss pass from the seller, or we can say exporter, to the buyer, which is the importer. When the shipment leaves the warehouse, the buyer will assume that it is their responsibility and needs to pay the delivery charges. So Natasha Rizal do not have to pay for the freight charge after the delivery have been shipment. Do you guys understand?
Yes,
Yes.
understand.
Okay, next. Continue to Damia.
So next, we don't choose FOB destination because free on board destination indicates that the seller retains liability for loss or damage until the goods are delivered to the buyer. Whatever happened to the good, the seller has to be responsible.
Okay. Let me continue with FOB shipping point. Okay, so basically the keywords for FOB shipping point is uh, they need to understood that the title of the shipment of goods when the goods are placed at the shipping point. The legal title of those goods is transferred to the buyer. That's mean once the seller deliver the goods, the title or ownership will get to the buyer. Okay, do you guys understand what I mean just now?
Oh, that
Yes.
means seller have
Yes.
to be responsible for goods during delivery, isn't it?
Yeah, that's true. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so before I jump more into the into inventory management, let me introduce a little bit about what is inventory management. Okay, so inventory management includes all the practices that touch your inventory, from initial order and restocking through receiving, storage, and use to fill other. So it's like more like uh keeping our what the things lah. Okay, so for Natasha result, they it have 5 ways to improve inventory management. First, we can set minimum stock level. Second, understand your supply chain. Third, get flexible with your SKU. Then fourth, move slow moving and obsolete inventory out. Five, minimize shrinkage. Okay, so these are the way that Natasha Riza can do for her business for increase more on her FOB shipping point. So let me continue into the conclusion. Let me jump into the conclusion. Okay, so Natasha Riza should choose FOB shipping point because of what? Because one of the more favorable Incoterms for the importer because it balances the import risk and control, includes customs, clearance, and is more cost effective for Natasha Riza business. I think everyone understand right what it means, right?
Yes.
Yes, understand.
Yes. Okay, so basically the answer for question number one have four answer, which is number one is Mur. What number one?
Then more. I think more sale. Make more sales.
Make more sales. Okay, for number two, Ain.
Win new buyers.
Win new buyer. Okay, for number three, increasing customer loyalty. Number and lastly, Damia.
Gain competitive edge.
Okay, gain competitive edge. Okay, for the question two, we all agree to choose FOB shipping points. Okay, that's all. Everyone have understand our discussion tonight? Understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
guys.
you.